Good evening, friends. This is Memo. I'm going to be making some lemon fudge. Follow along with me if you wish. First off, put your pan on the stove on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 can, let me see what size it is, 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I love the smell of fresh lemon. Three tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And some lemon zest. You want to save a little bit of it for the top of the fudge, like for a garnish. So I'm gonna save that much of it. Now you want to bring this not to a boil. You just want everything to melt together, and it shouldn't take maybe 10 minutes or so. And while this is melting, you want to prepare your 8x8 dish lined with parsnip paper. And now that this is hot and melted, I'm going to add 3 cups of white chocolate chips. Now you want to turn your heat off and just stir these until they melt. This takes about 10 minutes. And now it's just about ready. And now I'm going to pour it in the dish. If you want it to have a little bit darker lemon color, just add you a little bit of food coloring, just a drop at a time until you get it to where you want it. I didn't add any because I thought this was good enough. Now I'm going to grate some lemon zest over it, and make sure you wash and clean your lemons. Eat a bit more. Now this is going to go in the fridge and cool probably about 3 hours.